Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a condensed milk rusk recipe because one of you guys requested it. Rusks is a very important part of South African tradition. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: 1 kilogram of self-raising flour, 250 gram of butter, 1 can of condensed milk, 300 milliliter of buttermilk, 1 cup of fine coconut, 80 milliliter of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 eggs. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Mix the dry ingredients. Rub the butter in. Ensure the butter is soft enough to rub it in. There shouldn't be any lumps of butter left in the batter. Mix the wet ingredients. Mix it together and make sure it is kneaded properly. It will be a firm dough. Prepare your bread pans. Divide into 48 equal pieces. Roll it into balls approximately the size of a golf ball. Pack it into your bread pan. Bake for 45 minutes. Break the rusks and space them on your oven rack. Let it dry overnight on 100 degrees Celsius. Don't close the door tightly for the steam to be able to escape. for watching today's video. If you have any other requests for recipes you would like to see me make, please leave it in the comments below. I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.